one of my favorite players out there. Isong, expecting him. We have Timothy Liang. And Liang, Isong! Here is by defender once again. Isong. Medic please, medic please. Henso Konyak playing Goa Football Club out there, playing here at Topo. I really love the career that is made by Isong. We have Laibang Boham, jersey number 7, wearing out there, representing Mon. I really love Laibang and Isong, making it a career. This is a career, you know. This is not only a camp, it is a career. We make it. Isong on the kick. Isong is liked by everyone. Even my daughter hike my Instagram account and chat with Isong, you know. Isong on the kick. Isong on the kick. Isong on the kick. I still remember his father, Iban Chingai, the legendary football.
Some 11 bro, freaking Malaysia.
Oh, here's a person to the there. And this big full stop. Oh! Some 11 fans, are you there? Cross coming in here. Cross coming in there. Cross coming in there. It's making from this one.
Go. Some element ekta di sini. Some element bra ekta di sini. Some bra di sini. Some element bra di sini. Some bra di sini.
Samsung on the criticism. Sensational goal.
Some element bra di sini. Some bra di sini.
Legendary player, you know.
Bisa tak sekolah kita tak ibu. Youngster 0 11 1. Nah tak ibu. One 0, some 11, 1 youngster 0. Nah sedih dia tak.
Some 11, are you there? Youngster Club, are you there? Oh, there is a good one out there for Chopo committed. Now, the sport kick chance in favor of Medellin. Anki killing the lower and shot, however, defended by defender once again. Clearance by the man in yellow. Let's see what will happen there. 22 on the ball. Clearance by 22. 7 with the ball. Bang Lin.
Chính sự chỉ khai mai tự nhiên đúng không? Năm đây vì làm mang khát thì chắc rồi. Phải không? Khai mai tự nhiên đúng không? Chú chỉ mà ngơ nang là nào? Phải năm đây mua chắc mà thâu lọc mà. Trái cái sập phải ăn thâu mà. Phải không? Khai mai nào đúng không? Khai mai tự nhiên đúng không?
Chance in favor of men in white against men in yellow. Whoever win this match will lift this very trophy. Headed away by 10. Pointing it to Samson. To back. 19. Pass again. And here comes again. This out. From chance in favor of men in white. That's some 11. Out there. Clearance by defender once again. This is out. Comes to get a throwing chance. Goes to get a throwing chance for men in white. 5. David on the top. David on the top. David on the top. For top ball. Jinka fighting to 11. 11 takes the ball. 11 with the ball. Ball's crossing around this out. Throwing Johnson Roman White, you know.
Ita dak fa prakilya sidi. Schooling ina thakibo Sham 11 1 versus Youngster Club 0. Schooling ina sidi. Ita dak.
Throwing coming in. Timothy Yang on the ball, chop ball, clear the
Sham
ball.
11 number schooling sak pa mo chang mo 0. Ta siya nano.
Cross coming in from Pomang. Straight away out. Sham 11 has a 50% chance to lift this trophy with one call right now, leading with one call against 0 call of the Youngster Club. Youngster Club have the merit. Samson finding it to Anki. Anki takes the ball. Anki is still with the ball. Anki runs for the ball. Anki cross coming in, however, is out. Anki, the keeper, collected. Now this is a goal kick chance for men in yellow. Liang takes the ball. Liang, the captain, finding it to Anyai. Drop ball, it becomes a random pass. Anki cleared the ball.
Ta sư đâm mai ngà tận gì đúng không? Năm đây mua chắc mà chơi cái phải thông mà. Mai tận gì đúng không? Chú chỉ mới coi đi lâu đi được nào. Giờ tóc phá bạc thì là gì đi? Schooling ina tha ko Sham 11 1 Youngster 0. Schooling ina gì đi? Phải mong Sham 11 nó sak phải mong là Youngster 0. Ta sư đã ăn nano.
11 with the ball. 11 takes the ball. 11 is still with the ball. Clearance comes by defender once again. Clearance by defender once again. Let's see what will happen there. Medic please. Throwing chance in Pero, men in yellow. Cross coming in. Head of the way. Clearance by Samson. This out. Throw a chance for men in yellow. 17 out the shot. Finding it to Lemon. Headed away because at least headed on the part of Lemon. Cleared by Anya.
Good.
Cleared by 50. Langfong is cleared away. Lemon on the throw. Cross coming in. Still an empty goal. Clearance by Langfong once again.
Good.
Clear by Kikri. Chibukia. One kia. Headed away. Cleared. Isong runs. Isong runs. Isong takes the ball. Isong takes the ball. Isong. Cross coming in from inside.
Some remember Arabic that is today. Some remember that is Arabic. Go. Schooling in Ataka. Some 11 to Youngster Group 0. Schooling in Ataka today. Far back Kilase. American Sham Manokan Mondo. Far back Kilase. Far back Kilase.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the guy Wang some 11 Mama Nico Dong Chichang 0 Dasu and Nang Namde we belong me day Mama Chakam Chajikas by Tau to Ji Namanga
are you there?
Among Namde we belong Tom Mangata Dasu Kai my Mangata Jakabo Namanga. Ida dak far bra khila chide mondok no gulu bi moi paradak moi far bra dekhai de de
Anke on the kick. Anke give a long well shot, finding it to none. We have a 60% chance that the Summer 11 might lift this very trophy.
Ida dak far bra khila che
Leading 2 goals.
Some 11 do Youngster Group 0 schooling in a city that
Some 11
American Samano con Fabra Nitikio by Holevi. My Paradak Fabra to carry
because 0 so. Men in yellow remaining with a 0 goal. Some 11 might have a chance to lift this very trophy. Some 11 fans, are you there? Youngster fans, are you there? Can't say nothing here. Cross coming in.
Upaligan soap some element like a support to us today. Upaligan soap it had a color soap some element like a support to us today. It had a fire bracket.
I remember neutral. 12 两个 naughty ball. 还有多位 Big 3 on the ball. 两个 finding it to 6. Jinka to 5.
Pichong.
Some 11 has a 70% chance to lift the Swedish trophy, you know.
Time kind of
Two goals against 0.
Lâm de chú sẽ mai sinh bộ phim de nang ba mong de mang ka chak ko nang chi su de mong vang sự ni cậu hai mừng từ đây chỉ trắng bờ chỉ rồi ập vào lần nào nữa
There's coming in.
Youngster group Tayambra some 11 ekta diside for ekta youngster pra ida schooling na thakebo youngster 1 some 11 2 schooling na se 1 2 schooling na thakebo youngster group 1 some 11 2 schooling na se
This is outer. The man in yellow right now. Man in yellow finding it to 8. 1-0. Let's see what happened there.
mangkat dang nam de vi lam mangkat dang
Yeah. Who's up? Who's up? No, sorry, this is fine. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the final match between Youngster Club versus Sham 11. Sham 11 enjoying with the 2 goals against the lone goal of the Youngster Club. Whoever wins leaves the straw.
schooling 1 2 in
This is going to be a tough one for Sham 11.
youngster group 1 some 11 2 schooling in us
Youngster Club. Liang on the throw. Liang on the throw. Finding it to 8. Jenka. Isong out.
nam de vi lam mo chakam cha ju ke sap ma an thok ma
There's the ball.
amang ta siu de khai mai tu na nu ida dak fa brak
Ladies and gentlemen, Sham 11 with 2 goals against 1 goal of Youngster Club. 1994. Finding it to 8. Finding it to Kikri. 10 with the ball. Ball Chopo. That pass. Beautifully pass to Liang. Liang gets the ball. Liang still with the ball, however. Here is by defender Anye. Clearance comes again by the defender. Clearance once again comes. Long clearance. And away the defender. That's the ball. Let's see what happens there. 11 with the ball. 11 pass to Sam. Let's see. Sam on the cross. Here coming in. Ball drop ball. Let's see what will happen there. This is off.
offside
Ladies and gentlemen, Sham 11 fans, are you there? Youngster Club fans, are you there? Thank you so much once again. You are the people here. Isong on the kick. Isong coming with defense, I know. I don't know what's going on there. Isong on the defense right now. Anyay. Liang. Isong coming.
ta siu de khai mai tu ni do
I can see Isong playing forward and keeper.
Tebali
Playing the Samson. Give a long run shot for Samson wants to straight away collected by the keeper. Ball Chopo. Finding to 8. Junka. Headed away. Isong on the kick. Headed away. Another Isong. 11 Kikri. Isong once again. Isong takes the ball. Isong fighting it to Samson, however. Defender once again. Clear to away. Beautifully pass. Let's see what will happen there. Let's see what will happen there. Let's see what will happen there. Beautifully shot. Over the target. Beautifully shot. Anki Pete, keeper of Sham 11, taking advantage of 2 goals against 1.
khai mai tụng như đúng rồi ta sư gì
On kick. Matthew, kick with. Cross coming in. Cross coming in. Straight away by the keeper, Uncle.
khai mong năm thế vì làm mang hạt chắc rồi khai mai tụng như đúng rồi khai mong chắc am cha chứ cái sự phải thấu mang hạt chắc chừng chú lùng cũng bộ
Clearance comes once again. Ball drop ball. Held away. Clearance. For the Johnson favor of the man in yellow against man in white. One down on the ball. Long shot. Anh này về tuổi. One man. Uncle. To something. Matthew. Here's away. Out to Johnson to man in white. 7 comes for throwing in. Throwing Johnson come kick quick. Finding it to none. Uncle runs straight away collected by the keeper. Keeper is one cap. To Young. One cap. Keeper once again. Isong runs. He's out. Throwing Johnson will win in yellow. Straight away out. Johnson favor of made in yellow once again. Seven. Bang Len out the throw. He's out. For the Johnson favor of made in white. ta sư được khai mai tự nhiên đúng không? Phải một năm thế mang khai được chắc rồi tao cũng là thì theo đắc phá bạc thì là sẽ đi. The kick through the beautiful chance and the header comes again by Lemon. Ball drop ball and once again to finding it to Lemon. Lemon to football. Finding it to beautiful touch. However, not good. Yet Timothy once again. Long range shot coming in. Lemon, Thompson. Uncle on the ball. Uncle. Quickly. No, play. And the ball. Anh nhảy clear the ball. This is. Let's see this.
Shale, mang cái chắc đúng rồi.
Throwing Johnson will remain in yellow.
Mang cái chắc đúng rồi. Năm David.
Straight away to the keeper.
Năm David thâu làm chơi cái sẹp mang cái mang cái chắc đúng rồi. Ở nhang vì chúng mày.
Every minute is sticking off. There's a very danger for
Schooling na thak bo Sham 11 to Youngster group 1 schooling na se 1 2 schooling 1 2 as de nam de mo chakam cha ke se phai thok ma
Funny it. Cross going in. Jones by defender once again. 6 on the ball. Fighting to 11. 11 fighting into 7 Bangla. Beautiful chance created for Bangla. However, Bangla missed. Cross coming in. Something defended. Kikri cleared. Liaman cleared again. Counter attack coming in.
Yee.
This is Cole. Let's see. Low. No. This is off. Every minute is ticking, you know. It's going to be a final whistle. There are minutes left. The man in yellow has to try in order to equalize. At the same time, the man in white has to defend. So far, ladies and gentlemen, Youngster held with 1 goal against the 2 goals of the Sham 11. Samson on the kick. Samson giving a low red shot. And away but for drop ball. Finding it to Bang Lin once again. Bang Lin finding it to none. Oh, Bang Lin misses once again. Jin Ka on the ball. This is out. To chance if they were men in white. Bang Lin playing very good yesterday. However, today he missed something. Anke. Blue cross, however, divided by 12.
Michael. Ida dak fa bra khilya se de pai mung nam de bi lam mang gat jak te dak fa bra khilya se de fa bra khilya
He's on the top.
Namung mo chakam tho nam de chari ke se mang ma
This is
mang ma
He's on the cross.
schooling 1 2 today Sham 11 2 Youngster group 1 schooling today
Corner kick. Cross coming in unexpected as there was nobody. This is straight way out to adjust the men in yellow once again. 23 on the ball. Five on the ball. Samson. Cross coming in. Close but once again. Ball trouble once again. He one Lemon Isaac. Jim Cut. Fall coming. The substitutions from men and white, 22 out. 22 from men and white out. 10 in.
ta sư khai mai tự ni đúng không? Ida dak fa bra khilya se
It's on the fall down out there. Honam comes. Honam might have it, my friend. 21, kick the ball. Oh my goodness. Samson had it away. Kick on the ball. Kicking.
Hop đi là
Anke so. Every minute is precious for Youngster, you know.
chứ nào đây
Out of the way. Honam comes. Honam on the ball. Honam to Kikri. Kikri fighting into Isong. Isong takes the ball. Isong.
Isong.
However, it becomes a misclear of the ball. Isong runs again. Isong once again.
Line.
Isong. This out.
Good.
Dear substitution from men yellow. Jersey number 7 cut out. Jersey number 15 in. Sham 11 on the full chair.
Okay.
This song is out. Six with the ball. Kick 3 on the ball. Kick 3. Cross coming in from kick 3 straight away by the keeper Mante.
Yo, time mai mele mo to de. Minute lai na đúng không? Mele to de
No, last minute setting out
năm
there.
de thâu bù mà cha gì minute lai na đúng không? Phải không? Ta một tay một đắc sẽ không đâu. Ta chỉ để minute lai na đúng không?
Cross coming in from 23. Headed counts. Cross coming in inside the decoys straight away. Hands of the keeper.
Yeah, chúng đen lại như thế làm đi. Là mấy người cũng muốn lên chạy mà thủ qua cái mặt của
Youngster have been a runner-up in the last edition. I think they're going to be the runner-up once again if they can equalize now. Liang. Liang on the ball. Let's see.
Good.
They're respected better once again. Paul committed.
Team này ăn.
4 minutes. Throw coming in. However, Isong on the ball. Isong counter attack coming in from Isong. However, clearance by defender once again. Clearance by 21. Clearance by 4. Nyaiba. 12. Liang is out. Kick 3 on the ball. Cross coming in. Clearance by defender. This is straight away out in favor of men and yellow. Throwing chance coming in. Oh, 4 minutes. This throw. Kick 3 on the throw.
Ta sư khai mai từng nhiều.
Ladies and gentlemen, 4 minutes at a time. We are playing in the 4-minute extra at a time.
Ida dak 4 minute ka side, minute lai na no, phải mong 5 de vi lam, mong
We are
chap
playing,
cha ju ka
ladies
se
and gentlemen, 4 minutes extra at a time.
minute lai na no.
Some 11 fans, are you there?
Cha na no, 5 de cha ju ka se phải mang ma, time ne nang yo. Ida dak
We are playing
time
in the
4
minute
minute ka
extra
side.
time. Let's see what will happen there. If the Youngster club couldn't equalize, it would be equivalent to the winner for some 11, you know. It's Song who takes the ball. It's Song! Straight away, collected by the keeper. If the Youngster club could not equalize, the winner will be declared as some 11, you know, ladies and gentlemen. Some 11 fans, are you there? Youngster Club, are you there? Had it away. Cross coming in! Oh my goodness! Clear the way. Masterpiece. We call it sensation.
Minute lam na no, minute lam.
Masterpiece.
5 de thâu mà cha cái se mang cha cái se mang 5 de minute lam ngo cha na no.
Konyak takes the ball. Clear the ball.
Minute lam ngo cha na no.
Angge finding it to Isong.
Minute lam ngo cha na no.
Keeper comes right down. Long range on forward coming in. Samson headed. Cross coming in. Cross coming in, however, clearance by 19 once again. Playing here out at the court. Let's see what will happen there. 6 on the ball. Liang keeping a long range shot. Clearance go!
Tabu boleh sak ye betul. Kita tak sekolah Youngster group 2 Sham 11 2. Sekolah ini ada 2 2.
Jersey number please. Jersey number please. 15. Jersey number 15. The newcomer, Sham, have scored a goal. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Sham 11 with 2 goals.
Jangan sapai tunggu. Jangan sapai tunggu. Kamu kita tak sekolah 2 asde. Sham 11 2 Youngster 2. Sekolah ini asde. Kamu dah 6 दिन bangkau semua tu sakar. Bui belum. Time Sikkim meje lang nunggu time nenang aja. Sikkim meje perunggu. Yo.
This is the end of the final winner. Now the scoreboard for the bottom team remains 2-each. Mr. Sham and lucky numbers 15 coming out, came out from nowhere in squad in last minute, ladies and gentlemen.
Time khatam hoise de.
Youngster Club fans, are you there? Sham 11 fans, are you there? Thank you so much, love you beautiful people. The decision of the match official will be final here. Whether either played extra minute or straight away for the shootout, penalty shootout.
Da time tu na nunggu. Memang schooling 1-1 asde.
We might take a chance for this since we are running out of the time. It's only 3:13 here. So it's already 3 past 30.
Dia penidi Mario ni, penidi Mario dia tu time pin. Some over dia tu penidi Mario.
Men white, Sham 11, and men yellow, Youngster Club. 2.
Pamu namde mangkat jang ba. Ta penidi pam na no pamu namde mo chakam yang sengaja用文能教育个是不会安套嘛，反正都在penidi pam 来了，大叔都在。penidi palim 来了。
Since we are running out of time,
Sekining nang thambe berungu, sekining
the organizers have to wish that you go straight away to the penalty kick.
Sekin ngu janang je sampai berungu. Kamu tu namde tahu macam mana mangkat tak? Kamu namde ni yang sengaja mau cakap mau yang menang cari ke sebuah thong mah. Kamu penidi pam le lah tak ada. Dia penidi Mario deh, col aja deh, tu, dua penidi Mario dia.
I don't know whether the match officer will call for take start time or direct straight away penalty. I'm not aware of it. I'm not being informed here. So I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so honor, Sir Henso Konyak, the honorable advice, honorable MLA for the Mocha Constitution. He's waiting here out there to see you play the full game. So straight away, organizer encourages the penalty against the extra player, extra time. So, but it will be depend on the match officials. Whether
penalty
it goes for straight away penalty or the extra time.
na thaka bra penalty maribo ne ke moi phamna bi na se
I think it's going for the extra minute.
ta extra time te ke khanu extra time clear la se de itu kom bra bajibo itu when no bo it arobi thol hoise gole last chance penalty marbo itu time thik na extra time clear se de
Straight away, extra minutes.
nga la em la ba mình quên lại sai sót
It's going to be 7 minutes. Golden 7 minutes. 7 plus 7, 14. Okay. 7 minutes is golden here. Precious.
7 minute clear la se de 7 minute time
7-11 fans, are you ready?
ida start class
Youngster Club fans, are you ready? Going on here, Liang. Okay, trying to yes. Lang Pong once again. Sang T takes the ball. Is out. Của cha sẽ tiêu bên ngoài như là.
nhớ
Okay, the throwing chance. Kicked in. Jimmy. 11. Finding it to Kiki. Kiki takes the ball, finding it to Honam. Honam finding it to so. Well, for the keeper once again. Keeper. One care on the kick. Once again. Finding it and held away by the defender.
Yes.
This is going to be
Yes.
Jimka. Oh my goodness, Jimka. What's going on there? Corner comes clearance by Honam. Once again, ball on the ball.
tâm lên lại
Ball, it becomes a random pass.
ờ
7 minutes is precious, you know. 7 minutes is precious. One down.
mang cái chắc
7 minutes is precious, you know. 7 plus 14. 7 minutes is precious for the team. You gotta try in the 7 minutes. Ball drop ball. On the try. Hung Bei. Once again. Jimmy. Jimmy takes the ball. Jimmy the lucky boy. Finding it to 29 for drop ball.
gì
Finding it to 23.
alo Samson
What will happen there? What will happen there? Let's see. Let's see what will happen there. What will happen there? Let's see. 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 Match official knows. Let's see. Ball coming in there. Straight away sport kick. Straight away sport kick. straight away sport kick in favor of Youngster Club now. Just the miles, just the meters, just the meters away from the kick-off, you know. Just the kick-off, just the miles away, just the accuracy away. Just
Free kick, Marius.
Kick-off, you know. It's going to be tough for Man White.
Free kick, last chance, Youngster from Marius.
Who's going to take a chance? Ball top for Mike Dick. Liang and Mike Dick. Let's see what will happen there. Let's see Liang and Mike Dick. Let's see. Either attempt or pass. If scored, it will be 3, you know. This is too dangerous for Man White.
Youngster break, that is today, Aruge.
Straight away goal! Some level looking behind with 2 goals against 3. Taking a free kick chance.
Some 11 ke Youngster break today, Youngster break today.
Just a please.
Schooling some 11 to Youngster 3. Now today.
23.
It is time like this.
11 of Youngster Club has added a goal, a sensational free goal against Man White. That is Sam 11. Youngster Club in 23 goals against 2 goals of Sam 11. Samson on the kick. 6 on goal. Once again, Henso comes, Henso takes the ball. Okay, he's by defender once again. Okay, Harlock. Samson, man in black, man in white there, out there. He's out. Oh, there's a ball down there. Youngster fans, are you there?
Time lang
Some 11 fans, are you there?
time lang yun.
We have 7 minutes more, remember. We have 7 minutes more. We can decide out there. Second matters, every second matters out there. Every second out there. Every second matters. Some 11 with 2 goals again and 3 goals of the Youngster Club. Let's see. This is going to be a chance. Samson on the throw. Please. Samson on the throw. Samson on the throw. Samson, one of the deadliest strikers.
Yeah,
Samson on the throw. Samson, one of the deadliest strikers, you know. He has hit the ball. Samson on the throw. 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 Samson on the Samba. Samson T on the throw. Samba. Samson with a long throw in his toes. Coming in hard. Samson once again.
Mama.
Here's Samba. Seven minutes is precious, you know. Some 11 has got medic. Medic, please. Medic, please. Medic, please. Youngster fans. Youngster fans. Are you there? Some 11 fans. Some 11 fans. Are you there? Oh my God. Seven minutes is the precious here. Youngster Club Youngster Club making the 60% chance to lift this trophy, making 3 against 2 for Sham 11. You know. It's on mic, take it times.
Dan lupa juga tu dia. Angu jangan nak, tu kena tu. Jadi nang anje berbawa anu. Apa apa ni? Lampu lampu yang anu. Anje punya gimana tu?
Dent. Isong or Langfong. Either Isong or Langfong taking chance. Isong the one and only Isong comes there. Isong, let's see what will happen there. Isong have a beautiful kick. You know, let's see what will happen. Isong on the kick. Isong on the kick. Isong is out. Beautiful kick by Isong. What is out? 7 minutes precious, you know, ladies and gentlemen. Counts. 7 minutes counts the trophy. We have the sponsor of 1,50,000 rupees for the winner. It matters for 7 minutes, you know. Only ball. Had to wait. Samson taking the ball. Samson in 11. Samson runs. That gets striker, you know. Samson and listen. Samson takes the ball. Samson still the ball. This is out. Substitution, please.
Yo, abaji
Yes. Who's coming in?
last chance
Out.
Abaji last chance
Turn chance coming in. Turn chance coming in. Samson on the top. Samson on the top. Samson giving a long range strong straight away to the goal. And once again, one on the ball. Corner. It becomes a random return on the ball coming once again. Youngster fans, are you there? Sham 11 fans, are you there? Cheering up for the team, the favorite team, Sham 11. This is the end of the first minute. Start the second minute.
Youngster group proper
Seven minutes. Ladies and gentlemen,
for the
in extra minute,
Goal Cup.
Sham 11 with 2 goals against the 3 goals of Youngster Club. This is going to be a deadly match, you know. This is going to be a 7 minutes play. Every minute counts. Every minute counts. Every minute counts. Every minute counts. 7 minutes is the precious here. 7 minutes is the precious here. Sham 11, are you ready for 7 minutes?
India 7
Youngster
minutes.
Club, are you ready for the 7 minutes?
Namde bila mau mangka lejak se cai kes betul mata minyak nat chance nang.
This is going to be a match. 7 minutes will decide who will lift the trophy. This 7 minutes will decide who will lift the trophy. Youngster Club in turn with 3 goals, they get 2 goals of Sham 11, leading by 1 goal. These 7 minutes will decide who will lift
minyak nat. Namde cai kes betul.
This 7 minutes will decide. This 7
India tak far berkeliar.
7 minutes will decide.
Schooling Youngster 3 Sham 11 2.
7 minutes. Abhi decide Lengbo. Mama call kapa o elite Lengbo champion o Lengbo. Abhi 7 minutes se decide Lengbo. 7 minutes it's going to be. Once again, coming back. Oh, Paul coming once again. Yellow card awarded. It happens. It's all about the camp. 8 Jimka might take the opportunity. Medic, please. Security crown over nang daw. Referee match officer thọ vừa lên chiến mãi là go. Over the security nang daw như sing gì. Yo match officer thọ vừa chiến là kuma. Match officer thọ vừa chiến security chiến là go please. Beautiful chance. Beautiful chance for the man yellow, you know. Beautiful chance for the man yellow. Dear substitution, please. 6. 6 from male white out. 6 out. 6 out. Cross, coming in, expected. Straight to the corner. Straight to the corner chance. For man in yellow. Once again. Straight away comes level. This is going to be danger, you know, for men in white. Some 11. This might be the last chance for the man in yellow. Cross coming in as suspected. Head away, however. Anyai comes in between. Anyai takes the ball. Head of the way. Close by ball drop ball. And now the throw flying into Honam. Honam takes the ball. Honam, my friend. Honam is getting the ball. Honam finding it to none. Looking for his friend. The back pass to the home play once again. Finding it. 22. No. Samson takes the ball. Samson with the ball. Please. Out, please. Security guard here. Security guard. Maring out. Let you know. Security guard, please. Maring out. Let you. Audience can go nice. Maring out. Let you. Audience can give Maring out. Let you. Audience can give Maring out. Let you. Audience can give Maring out. Let you. क्या करने सिक्योरिटी ऐसे ऑडियंस करके ओलाइडियो ना प्लीज कर मन भाव रखी ऐसे किले कितना तो अंदर Leon, please, you're a captain. Angke, you are senior player. Please.
Kuna ita dak भाव रखी ऐसे
Ena negeri na amo, ay please, aya. Audience na ile busy pala sire. Murong ra audience na ile. Yang long peko ay audience to ground ka ibi. Yes, pusing kuling ko ay gonde. Audience tu nak sampai nak murung pra. Kan man pala kili aje. Itu murung pra nak celi biji pala sudah. Ayah. Audience kili caso. Audience look, audience kan chamule kam nai do. Tade match official la se players kan ade man phal khili ase kile. Audience kan no side hai lo kile jai se. Moron bro itu na no kuri le bisi phal ase. Security kan bisi big ase moron bro audience kan no capture kuri le bisi phal ase. Players kan man phal rakhi liya ase players to chakra gurbo do mara mare hobo do this football ase do olibi sa mano kan nachele bisi phal ase do football ase mara mare mistake bi hobo chani ke na bi hobo Isong on the kick. Isong takes the ball. Isong takes the ball. Isong on the cross coming in from Isong. Once again trying to fight clearance. Let's see what will happen there. Another cross again. Chance in favor of Men White. Isong on the trolley. Isong, one of the most famous players, all-time favorite, you know. Isong lagging behind with 2 goals against 3 goals up. Youngster Club might lift this with a trophy. Isong on the throw. Isong on the kick. Henso Konyak on the kick. My favorite, Henso Konyak on the kick. Henso Konyak in the kick. Henso Konyak on the kick. This might be the last chance for Men White, you know. This is Henso. Henso cross coming in.
Die.
Chance in favor of Men White once again. Henso on the kick. This might be the last chance. This might be the last chance for Men White. Henso on the kick.
Last chance.
Henso on the kick. Henso cross coming in. Spider-Man in yellow. Here Spider-Man in yellow.
Escole.
Here Spider-Man in yellow once again. Lang Fong. Long by play once again. Running into Nant. One chance for Men White. Throw coming in from Anyai. Another header. 100% saya akan boleh tapi lang natin si. It was a beautiful chance for Isong, however, missed. Isong missed. Cute, eh? Isong beautifully chance missed by Isong.
Order?
Kêu sen là sao một phần đơn là sao nhé? This might be the last kick. It's just a matter of 7 minutes, you know. It's just a matter of 7 minutes. It might be the last kick. The referee might blow a final whistle, you know, here. This is the end of the final whistle. Youngster Club have lifted the defeat across Cup Trophy 2025, defeating Sham 11 with 3 against 2. Congratulations, Youngster Club. Congratulations, Sham 11. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate your support, your love.